Hi, good morning. Welcome to our reading phonics and letters and sounds class. What day is it today? Today is Friday, right? And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Thursday, that's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of January. January, that's right. January is the first month of the year. Let's read the date together. Today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. Good job. Okay, now how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. What is the short sound? We mark it with the happy face. That's right. Very good. Now, are you ready? Stop, look, and listen. We're going to look and see a new book today. I learn to read. Book A. Look at the doggies. Ruff, 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 ruff. You're going to learn 58 new words. Wow. Now look, I want to show you something. Let me bring this over. Do you see it? This is our winter wonderland. Do you see the snowman? So when we finish doing an activity, we're going to get to put some animals on our winter wonderland. There's snow and trees. And look, there's a frozen lake that you can go ice skating on. Okay, are you ready? So the smaller letters are the instructions. It says, say the sounds of these letters. Can you tell me the sounds? A, E, I, A. Very good. And what are these? Apple. Did you see it? Apple. Elephant. What does the elephant say? Indian. Ostrich. Umbrella. Good. Now it says, say the blends. You read them. Bat. Cat. Ma. Sa. Super. Now it says, read the words. Bat. Cat. Mat. Sat. Wow, that is great reading. Okay, let's go to the next page. What do we see here? This is number 1. Cap. Number 2, man, man. Number 3, hat. Number 4, tub. Number 5, Jan, Jan. Number 6, wet, wet. And I see a sight word. Do you see the sight word? The. Remember, a sight word cannot be sounded out. You have to memorize it. Here we go. Here's the sight word, the. Can we spell it? Let's see. T-H-E. The. One more time. T-H-E. The. Super. Okay, let's see what I have here. What do I have? I want to put like 3 animals on. Look, it's a little squirrel, and he has some earmuffs and a scarf and a sweater on because he's in the snow. Let's put him right there. Do you like him right there? Can you see him? Let me get it a little closer. Okay, get it a little closer. There you go. What about, it's a polar bear with ice skates. And he has a scarf. He's skating on the ice. Oh, look at that. You guys were such good readers. Okay, one more. What do I have? Look, I have a penguin with a scarf, and he also has ice skates. He's going to ice skate with Mr. Polar Bear there. Super. Okay, are you ready for the next reading project? Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. Here we go. We're going to see our blends. Here's the first one. Are you ready? Le. And look, it has a happy face, so we know it's the short sound. Here we go. Say them with me. Sa, sa, se, se, sa, pa, pe, pi, pa, pa, qua, qua, que, que, wa, ya, ya, ye, 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 wa, we, wa, va, va, ve, va, ja, ja, je, je, ja, ki, ka, 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 ke, sa, se, se, sa, sa, ra, 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 re, re, ga, ga, ge, ge, ga, da, de, da, da, di, ta, 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 ti, ta, ma, ma, me, me, ma, ha, ha, he, he, ha, ba, ba, be, be, ba, na, na, ne, ne, na, la, la, li, la, fa, fa, fi, fe, fa. You did all the blends. You're amazing. So we get to put some more animals. do I have? Look, I have a moose. Look at his horns, and he's ice skating. Let's put him right here. Ooh, fun. Mr. Moose is ice skating. What do I have here? It's a beaver. Look, he's going to have a snowball fight. He has some earmuffs on. Let's put him over here. And let's see, one more. Mr. Polar Bear is playing in the snow. Let's put him right here. Super duper duper. You are amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to do some one vowel words. Read them with me. Bug, bus, buzz, dug, fun, gum, hug, jump, mud, nut, pug, pup, rub, run, sun, tub, bug, bus. Bravo! Super good. You guys are amazing. So you did such good reading. We get to put 3 more animals. Look, there's a bird, and they have the hat that belongs to the snowman. Let's put him. Look. Did you see that? What else do I have? Look, there's a polar bear and 3 penguins, and they're on a sled. Woohoo! Let's put them right here. They're sledding. And we have a squirrel that's having a snowball fight with Mr. Beaver. There we go. Look at our fun winter wonderland. Let's bring it a little closer so you can see it. Look at that. Isn't that fun? You guys were such good readers. Super duper duper. Okay, so let me move this over and let's see what homework we have to do today. It says letters and sounds, pages 85 through 87. Let's see. Let's get our letters and sounds book out, and let's open our book up to page 85 right there. Make sure to write your name nice and neatly on the top. 1, look at the pictures. Circle the word that completes the sentence. The word will name the picture. Remember yesterday we were talking about sentences? You know how to do this. Look, here's a mug. It's a mug. Okay. And what is Liz playing in? She's playing in the sand. Write the vowel you hear in each word. Let's say the words together. Map, doll, pig, hen, duck, fish. Super duper. Okay, let's go to page number 86 now. 86. 3, match each picture to the blend you hear at the beginning. Okay, we know what a blend is. Here's camel. Can you say the word with me? Dog. Fence. Right here. Web. Pin. Log. And number 4 says, circle the consonant. A consonant is not a vowel. You hear at the end, not the beginning, the end of the word. The last sound you hear, the end of each word. Bus, bus, flag, hand, map. Good job. And let's go to page 87. Fill in the circle under the vowel that completes each word. You know how to do that. And number 2 says, read each sentence. You know what a sentence is. It starts with a capital letter and ends with a mark, a period, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Choose the word that will complete the sentence. Write it in the blank. This is a pen, a pig pen. And the cat is taking a nap. Okay, that is our class for today. I'll see you next week. Bye. Lots of love.